In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete post in Craigslist. If you've already created a listing on Craigslist and need to make changes to it, or even remove it completely, the process is straightforward once you know where to find the correct options. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to edit an existing Craigslist post and how to delete it when you no longer need it. To access the editing settings for your post, you'll first need to locate the email that Craigslist sent you when the advertisement was originally created. This email contains a special link that allows you to manage your posting without needing to create a separate account. Open that email and look for the management link provided in the message. Click the link and a new browser tab will open. At the top of the page, you'll notice a green box that contains options for both editing and deleting your advertisement. Let's begin by editing the post. Click the option labeled Edit this posting. You'll be taken to a page that looks very similar to the one you used when creating the ad for the first time. This is where you can make changes to your listing details. For this example, we're going to update the price, but you can also modify the title and description if needed. After making your changes, click Continue. On the next screen, select Done with Images and then click Continue once again. You'll then arrive at the next page where you can use the top link to view your updated advertisement. Open the listing and check that your changes have been applied correctly. As you can see, the updated price is now displayed, confirming that the edit was successful. Now let's look at how to delete the post completely. Return to your email inbox and open the same Craigslist email you used earlier. Click the management link again to return to the posting options page. This time, select the option labeled Delete this posting. A confirmation page will appear asking you to verify the action. Click Delete once more to confirm. After doing this, the posting will be permanently removed. And that's how to use Craigslist to edit or delete a post. By using the link provided in your original Craigslist email, you can quickly manage your listings whenever updates or removals are needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.